Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders of science and discovery. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of DNA and its critical role in determining the traits of all living organisms on Earth. So, what exactly is DNA? Short for deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA is the molecule that contains the genetic instructions for building and maintaining an organism. It's like a blueprint for life. Every living organism, from plants to animals to humans, has DNA, and it's made up of 4 building blocks called nucleotides. These nucleotides pair up in specific ways, forming a double helix structure, which looks like a twisted ladder. Now, let's talk about how genes work. Genes are specific sequences of DNA that code for proteins, which are the building blocks of cells and tissues. These proteins control almost everything in your body: how your cells function, what color your eyes are, how tall you are, and even some of your behaviors. In simpler terms, genes are like instructions for making the different parts of your body. But how does DNA determine traits? Let's use an example. Imagine a gene is like a recipe. If the recipe calls for blue eyes, your cells will follow those instructions and produce proteins that result in blue eyes. However, genes can vary slightly between individuals, and these variations are what make us all unique. These slight differences are called alleles. For example, one version of a gene might code for brown eyes, while another version codes for blue eyes. This is where inheritance comes in. You inherit half of your DNA from your mother and half from your father. Each parent passes down a copy of their genes, and which alleles you inherit from each parent will determine your traits. For example, if you inherit the allele for brown eyes from one parent and the allele for blue eyes from the other, you're more likely to have brown eyes because the brown eye allele is dominant over the blue eye allele, which is recessive. DNA doesn't just affect your traits, it plays a critical role in evolution. Natural selection is a process where individuals with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Over many generations, these advantageous traits get passed down, while less advantageous traits may disappear. This is how species evolve over time, and DNA is at the heart of it all. Now, let's take a look at the importance of DNA in shaping life on Earth. Scientists have mapped the entire human genome, which is the complete set of DNA instructions in a human being. This has opened the door to incredible advancements in medicine and biotechnology. For example, understanding DNA has allowed us to develop treatments for genetic diseases, create genetically modified crops that can withstand harsh conditions, and even explore the possibility of using gene editing to cure inherited disorders. DNA also helps us understand how all life is connected. By comparing DNA sequences between species, scientists can trace the evolutionary history of organisms and see how closely related different species are. It's this shared DNA that explains why humans and chimpanzees, for example, have over 98% of the same genetic material. To sum up, DNA is the fundamental blueprint of life. It's the molecule that determines who we are, how we look, and even how species evolve. By studying DNA, scientists continue to uncover the secrets of life, offering insights that could shape the future of medicine, technology, and our understanding of the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you found this exploration of genetics fascinating, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more engaging videos on the wonders of science and technology.